going to do a low carb keto casserole. It's called sausage cabbage Alfredo. So I seen it, looked like it'd be real simple and easy, and decided to do it. Sausage has a little bit of fat in it, you're still going to have to grease your skillet just a little bit with some oil. I wouldn't do but a couple tablespoons, that's it. Alright, and you just need it in here enough to sear, and it's about 1.5 pounds worth. Start with the next thing. Okay, so this recipe is a little bit kind of odd, so I'm hoping it's going to work. So in a baking dish, I'm supposed to combine everything except for my sausage and Parmesan cheese. My sausage right now is cooking on the stove, so we'll come over here and we'll do this part. You're going to need a stick of butter. It did call for a little bit more than a stick, but I'm just going to go with a stick because one stick's a lot. But you're going to make an Alfredo sauce, so I'm assuming that's why they're using so much. The next thing that you would put in is 1.5 cups of heavy cream. Trying to see. So I got the 1/2 cup measure here. Half. 1.5. So I hope it's going to turn out good. Alright, we got our butter in there. Heavy cream. Cream cheese. I need to get my garlic because I forgot. 6 ounces of cream cheese. That's enough. It doesn't look like it. Let's see. So, cut up the cream cheese a little bit so you can kind of spread it throughout. And the sausage is happily cooking, waiting to be added. Garlic, which the recipe calls for a tablespoon of. Make an Alfredo, you gotta have garlic. Let's see, I think that's everything. So, putting it all in here, cover and bake for 30 minutes, and then that's when you're gonna add the parm and the sausage to it. So I will see you back here in just a few. Okay, so at this point it's been 30 minutes that we baked this. It looks okay. It looks okay. I wish it was more creamy instead of soupy, if that makes sense. The cabbage is not done all the way. So not sure how I feel about that. At this point we are supposed to add more parm, which that means I forgot to add parm before, which is still fine because it's still got to go back in the oven. And I don't really know how much to add because I'm taking this off an Instagram video, and I'll make sure I link that below. So I'm just going to put some in, throw in a little bit more. Let's add our sausage. Get that. Okay. And we need to add a little bit of salt and pepper. So we can do that. Salt, a little bit of pepper. And I am going to probably cover it again. So we're going to do that, and we're going to put it back into the oven, and then I will show you what it looks like when I'm done. Okay, so this is just out of the oven, and I plated it up for you. It's a little bit soupier than I expected, but I already ate some, and it was good. But it will need a little bit extra salt. So it was really good, though. It probably could use some onion or onion powder. That would be good in it, too. Really good, really easy, really simple. I was really surprised. See you next time.